Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of financial technology, specifically a platform called Lemonway. Now, if you're running a marketplace, crowdfunding platform, or even an e-commerce website, you've probably stumbled upon their name. But with all the buzz around online payment processing, a crucial question arises: is Lemonway legit? Let's face it, handing over your financial reins to a new platform can be nerve-wracking. So, we'll be dissecting Lemonway, analyzing its legitimacy, features, and everything you need to know before making a decision. So, what exactly is Lemonway? Think of it as a one-stop shop for managing payments on your online platform. Lemonway acts as a middleman, securely handling transactions between buyers and sellers. This eliminates the headaches of managing funds directly and ensures compliance with financial regulations, a big plus in today's complex landscape. But legitimacy is our main concern, right? Absolutely. Here's the good news: Lemonway isn't some fly-by-night operation. They're a payment institution authorized by the ACPR, Autorite de Contrôle Prudential et de Resolution, the regulatory arm of the Bank of France. This means they operate under strict European Union regulations, giving them a hefty dose of credibility. Security? Check. Lemonway prioritizes keeping your and your users' hard-earned cash safe. They boast robust security measures, including strong encryption and anti-fraud protocols. This translates to peace of mind for you and your customers. Beyond the basics, what does Lemonway offer? While security and legitimacy are paramount, functionality is key. So, what tools does Lemonway bring to the table? Simplified payment processing. Integrate Lemonway seamlessly into your platform, allowing effortless payment collection for your users. Secured funds management. Lemonway holds onto funds until transactions are complete, ensuring smooth operations and reducing the risk of fraud. Multi-currency support. Cater to a global audience by accepting payments in various currencies, a major perk for international businesses. Seamless payouts. Effortlessly disperse funds to sellers on your platform, keeping everyone happy. Compliance powerhouse. Lemonway shoulders the burden of KYC, Know Your Customer, and AML, anti-money laundering, compliance, saving you time and resources. Is it all sunshine and rainbows? Of course not. While Lemonway offers a compelling package, here are a few things to consider. Pricing structure. Lemonway's fees might not be the most competitive, especially for high-volume transactions. Be sure to compare pricing models with other providers before committing. Limited user reviews. Finding independent user reviews on Lemonway can be tricky. It's always wise to search for user experiences to gain a more comprehensive picture. Focus on Europe. If your target market falls outside Europe, Lemonway's reach might be a limitation. Explore providers with a wider global presence if needed. The verdict: is Lemonway legit? Absolutely. Lemonway is a reputable, EU-regulated platform offering secure payment processing and a suite of features to streamline financial management for your online business. However, it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. Carefully evaluate your needs, budget, and target market before making a decision. Compare pricing structures, features, and global reach of other providers to ensure you find the perfect fit. Remember, due diligence is key. Thoroughly research any payment processing platform before entrusting them with your financial transactions. With that said, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more insightful content on navigating the ever-evolving world of online business. Until next time.